Okay, so here's an important tip. I just found out something. I don't know how your bulbs might react, but my bulbs, if you install it one way and it doesn't work, pull it out, rotate it, flip it around, and stick it in the other way. And then it'll work, see? It's the same thing with both sides. So you rotate that one too, and boom, there it is. They both work. Yeah, I thought I was gonna make this like a quiet video, me not talking, but I had to put that in there because it's important. You know, just pop this cover back on. It's got these little things here to hook in to these things that stick out. So pop in. You could pop in either side first. It doesn't matter. Just make sure they line up. Don't break anything. Be careful. Oh, it's nice and bright, man. Oh, this is nice, man. Pop that back in gently. Oh, that's nice, man. Real nice. It's so much better than the old ones. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it from Amazon. So there's the old. Let me put this lens back in, cover back in, just so you get a comparison. Actually, the hell with it. Let me take both of them out. Oh, come on. See, there's your before and after. Quite a difference, huh? Regular incandescent and LED. This is gonna make it so much easier at night for me to, you know, find stuff in this car. I couldn't see. Look at that. Look at that difference. Yeah, look at the difference. All right, so just real quick, this is a 2017 Corolla. The one, these, it's either 194 or 168. I like the cool white light because I just want, you know, I don't need blue or green or yellow. I went to AutoZone. I had to go to 2 AutoZones because one of them had like different colors, but they didn't have the white. Of course not, because that's the one people buy. You know, but anyway, the one in the back is 3175. That's the number for it. So the back one, this is the one right here, 3175. I'm using a Sylvania. All right, to get this thing off, you would use like a small pocket knife or, you know, something small pocket screwdriver or something like that. I'm using my little Swiss Army knife here. Get in there, don't rip your headliner or tear anything. You want to get between the lens and the bezel here. Sorry if my hand is blocking the view, but it's the best I can do. Pop that out. Go ahead and pop that out. It comes right out. Make sure the bulb isn't hot. Make sure this is off for a while. Don't be doing this while the bulb is on and you're gonna burn yourself. So go ahead and, I'm wearing gloves because, you know, it's in the make sure it's in the fully off position, not in the door or on, obviously, but make sure it's off. Make sure it's, you know, in the fully off position, because you don't want to turn it on by accident, or you have to, or the door's open or something, it'll go on. So make sure it's the fully off position before doing this, okay? Get in here for your finger. This you know, this little spring-loaded thing, it extends that way. It's probably gonna drop out. You wanna push this out. Gravity will bring it down, hopefully. Don't drop. Whoop. Don't drop. Whoop. See, that's what happens. Be careful. Make sure doesn't break or anything like that. Want to compare the old with the new one. Make sure they're the same size. All that crap. There's your new bulb. The LED side, this side is to face down. Attention, verify proper rotation. If no light, remove bulb, rotate, and reinstall. We're gonna put it in. Make sure you get that end in the side of there. Is it too big? What ain't going on? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, it's in wrong. We gotta do it again. We gotta rotate it. There it is. All right, it's working. So you pop your lens back on. That works. Nice and bright. I'll know at night how bright it is. So pop your lens back on, or yeah. That's it, you're done. Excellent.